So I'm a mess. The house is a mess. The kitchen's a mess. All the dishes are dirty. So I thought I would just go ahead and make a little more of a mess. Today we are making some brown butter oatmeal cream pies. So let's get it. So in this bowl here, I'm going to mix together, 113 grams of quick oats. Next is 75 grams of all-purpose flour. Next is a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Over here I'm browning some butter. It said to do it over medium heat, but I am doing it kind of slower because I'm terrified it's going to burn. I only have 1 stick of butter, so we're running on faith here. So I have this brown butter. Just going to pour it into this bowl over here. Get all of that. And then just let it set it to the side and cool. I have a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. In another bowl, I'm taking 75 grams of dark brown sugar. I'm adding 50 grams of granulated sugar, 1 egg. We're running on feelings and vibes today, so instead of molasses, we're using syrup. Yee! Going to go ahead and give this a mix. To the wet mix, I am adding the cooled brown butter. I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract to the wet mix. I'm going to add 75 grams of starter to the mix. Gonna whisk to combine. Here I'm going to throw the dry ingredients into the wet mix. I'm gonna stir. The oven is preparing at 350. I don't have any parchment paper, but I do have this baking mat. I think I can bake with it, so let's drop some cookies on it. Throwing these into the oven for about 13 to 15 minutes. I'm adding 114 grams of cream cheese into this bowl. The recipe calls for 1.5 tablespoons of butter, but all I have is this much, like a tablespoon, a little pinch, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now to the icing filling, I'm adding 150 grams of powdered sugar. I need more powdered sugar. I won't have enough, but we'll just pretend like it is. So just going to add a tiny splash of milk and mix. They're ready. I'm going to put them on this cooling rack and let them chill out. So I have my brown butter oatmeal cookies cooling here and my homemade icing, and we're going to try some. I'm really not sure how much icing I should put on this. Maybe another little spoon. Looks amazing. Okay, guns up. This is actually the best thing I've made with my sourdough so far.